everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to manage eBay store. In order to manage an eBay store, what you need is follow the simple steps. First thing first, you want to go ahead and make sure to customize your storefront by adding a logo and description, organize product with custom category, and use marketing tools like promotions and newsletter to drive sales as well. It is also important to manage your business through Sellers Hub, where you can track sales, view traffic, report, and adjust store settings. And remember to manage inventory policies and your subscription level as needed. Now, basically, what you need is you could customize your shop. So, update your shop name and a shop description, and upload a logo and a billboard to build your brand as well. You could add a marketing element. You could create a clickable marketing banner and add a video to your shop homepage. You could create a newsletter, encourage customers to save you as a favorite store to subscribe to your newsletter for sales, promotions, and new product announcement as well. Inventory and organization, manage customs category. You would create a feature custom store category on your storefront. You will need at least one active listing in your category for it to be displayed. Now, features lighting, such as feature individual listing on your storefront to specify or to highlight the specific product as well. And you could also do marketing and promotions. So that's basically how you'll be able to manage eBay store. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.